Hello everyone, welcome to Taste Buds. Today we are here with yet another recipe which is a flavorful and simple dish, a mushroom starter, and that is the butter mushroom stir fry. So let's find out how we can prepare this simple dish in no time. Okay, while the pan is getting heated, let's look at the ingredients. 1 large onion chopped, 2 tablespoons of garlic chopped, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of butter. So it is heated now. Let's quickly add the 2 tablespoons of butter. You can choose to add salted or unsalted butter. And let's wait for it to melt before we go ahead and add the onions. I'm just going to season it across the pan. So now that the butter is slowly getting melted, it's time to add the chopped onions. It's finely chopped as shown in the picture. Let's go ahead and add it. I'm using 1 large onion for 200 grams of mushroom today. If you prefer it to be a thick gravy, then you can add 1 more onion. I want it dry, so I'm just using 1 onion. Keep stirring it until it gets golden brown in color. As you can see, the onions are golden brown. I've got mushrooms cut in small pieces as shown, so we'll add that in. After about 2 minutes of adding the mushrooms, let's add the garlic, 2 tablespoons, which is the main ingredient, and let's stir it well. It's now time to add salt as per your requirement. Also, we'll add half a teaspoon of chilli powder, which is then followed by half a teaspoon of pepper. Here I'm crushing fresh pepper. Half a teaspoon should be good enough. From the time we add the mushroom, it should take only 10 minutes for it to get cooked completely. So it is a final touch that we are going to give now. We are adding 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. So the dish is done, so we can finish it off by adding the finely chopped coriander leaves and give a good mix. Do try it. It's really tasty and simple as well, as you can see. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked the recipe for today. Do try it at home and let me know how it is in the comment section. And if you really liked the video, leave a thumbs up. And also I would request you to subscribe to us, the Taste Buds channel, so you get notified for any future updates or videos that we post. So see you soon with more interesting recipes. See you soon. Bye-bye.